Hello, you probably have heard about Goldwell's unique color can system that, besides other benefits, helps you to reduce the residual product waste and allows compact storage in a rack system. The new Goldwell Color Dispensing Nozzle is a perfect way to fall in love with our color cans and experience how Goldwell's Color Can supports stylists with its precision and easy handling. The nozzle is part of our Goldwell Depot Can System, alongside with the very well-known Goldwell Depot System tools to complement our color cans. When using the Goldwell Color Dispensing Nozzle, it's all about quick and easy handling, dispensing and cleaning. The nozzle allows easy color extraction, even in small amounts like 0.1 ml, and the precise dosage results in less excess waste. It is customized to fit to our complete Goldwell Color Can assortment of Topchic and Colorance. What makes the Goldwell Color Dispensing Nozzle so great? It has an optimal finger dent. For tight grip, it's designed for accurate dispensing, while it fits perfect on the stem with a soundless clip mechanism. Also, with its lightweight design, it makes it easy to use. If you want to get out the maximum of our can system, check out our Depot System tools. Want to see more? Visit the Goldwell Education Plus YouTube channel or download the Goldwell Education Plus app. See you there.